8. Best Korean cars you can trust. Blindly, Korean automakers have come a long way, evolving from budget-friendly options to industry leaders in innovation, reliability, and performance. Brands like Hyundai, Kia, and Genesis now rival top competitors from Japan, Europe, and the US. Whether you're looking for a family-friendly SUV, a fuel-efficient sedan, or a performance-driven sports car, Korean manufacturers offer options that deliver outstanding value. In this video, we'll dive deep into 8 of the best Korean cars you can buy without second thoughts. But before we continue, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. It really helps me grow and bring you more amazing content. 8. Hyundai Sonata. The Hyundai Sonata has been a top contender in the mid-size sedan category for years, thanks to its stylish design, advanced technology, and impressive safety features. The latest model comes with a sleek exterior featuring a bold front grille, aerodynamic lines, and LED lighting that makes it stand out on the road. Under the hood, Hyundai offers multiple engine choices, including a fuel-efficient 2.5 L4-cylinder engine, a turbocharged option for more power, and even a hybrid version for eco-conscious drivers. Inside the cabin, the Sonata provides a premium experience with high-quality materials, a spacious layout, and a user-friendly infotainment system. The 10.25-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and Bose premium audio system make it one of the most tech-forward sedans in its class. Safety is another major highlight, with Hyundai's SmartSense suite offering features like forward collision warning, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control. If you want a well-rounded sedan with luxury-like features at a reasonable price, the Hyundai Sonata is an excellent choice. 7. Kia Sportage. The Kia Sportage has gained massive popularity among SUV enthusiasts thanks to its striking design, efficient performance, and advanced technology. The latest generation boasts a bold front fascia, aggressive LED lighting, and a refined silhouette that gives it a premium feel. Engine options include a fuel-efficient 2.5 L4-cylinder engine, a turbocharged variant for added power, and a hybrid model that provides excellent fuel economy. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a modern and upscale interior featuring a curved panoramic display, premium upholstery, and ambient lighting. Kia has equipped the Sportage with cutting-edge technology, including a 12.3-inch touchscreen, digital driver display, and an advanced navigation system. Comfort is also a priority, with spacious seating, dual-zone climate control, and a quiet cabin designed to minimize road noise. On the safety front, the Sportage is packed with driver assist features like blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and highway driving assist. Whether you're commuting in the city or heading out on a road trip, the Kia Sportage offers a balance of practicality, performance, and luxury that makes it one of the best Korean SUVs available. 6. Genesis G80. Genesis, Hyundai's luxury division, has made waves in the premium car market, and the Genesis G80 is a perfect example of the brand's excellence. This mid-size luxury sedan combines a sophisticated design, a powerful engine lineup, and world-class craftsmanship. From the moment you see the G80, its elegant presence is undeniable, with a massive crest grille, quad LED headlights, and sleek lines that give it a commanding stance. Under the hood, the Genesis G80 offers a choice between a turbocharged 2.5 L4-cylinder engine producing 300 horsepower and a 3.5 L twin-turbo V6, delivering an impressive 375 horsepower. Both engines provide smooth acceleration and refined handling, making every drive enjoyable. Step inside, and you'll be surrounded by high-end materials, including Nappa leather seats, open-pore wood trim, and a 14.5-inch infotainment touchscreen. The cabin is designed to be a sanctuary of comfort, with features like a Lexicon premium audio system massaging seats, and an advanced climate control system. Safety is another strong point, with the G80 equipped with a full suite of driver assist technologies, including highway driving assist, forward collision avoidance assist, and smart cruise control. If you're looking for a luxury sedan that delivers European-level refinement at a more affordable price, the Genesis G80 is a top-tier choice. 5. Kia Telluride. For families who need a spacious, comfortable, and well-equipped SUV, the Kia Telluride stands out as one of the best options in the market. This three-row SUV offers an eye-catching design, combining a rugged yet elegant exterior with a refined and feature-rich interior. Under the hood, the Telluride is powered by a 3.8 LV6 engine producing 291 horsepower, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission for smooth and responsive performance. Despite its size, the Telluride handles exceptionally well, offering a stable and comfortable ride, whether you're driving in the city or on the highway. Inside, the Telluride is designed to provide a first-class experience for all passengers. The spacious cabin features premium materials, a massive 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen, wireless charging, and a Harman Kardon audio system. For added convenience, Kia includes ventilated and heated seats, multiple USB ports, and an advanced climate control system to ensure everyone stays comfortable. Safety is another area where the Telluride excels. It comes with Kia's DriveWise safety suite, which includes features like blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking. With its perfect blend of luxury, practicality, and safety, the Kia Telluride is a fantastic choice for families looking for a reliable and stylish SUV. 4. Hyundai Elantra. The Hyundai Elantra has long been a favorite among budget-conscious buyers who want a stylish and reliable compact sedan. The latest model features a bold, futuristic design with sharp lines, an aggressive front grille, and LED lighting that gives it a modern appeal. Performance-wise, the Elantra offers multiple engine options, including a 2.0L 4-cylinder engine, a turbocharged variant for sportier performance, and a hybrid model that delivers exceptional fuel economy. The Elantra N, the performance version of the lineup, takes things a step further with a turbocharged 2.0L engine producing 276 horsepower, making it one of the most exciting compact sedans on the market. Inside, the Elantra is packed with advanced technology, including a dual-screen setup with a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster and touchscreen infotainment system, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a Bose premium sound system, and ambient lighting enhance the overall experience. Safety features like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and forward collision warning make the Elantra a well-rounded choice for anyone looking for a stylish and reliable compact sedan. 3. Kia EV6. As the world moves toward electric mobility, Kia has positioned itself as a leader in the EV market with the Kia EV6. This all-electric crossover is built on Hyundai Motor Group's eGMP platform, offering impressive range, fast charging, and futuristic design. The EV6 comes with multiple battery options, with the long-range version offering up to 310 miles on a single charge. The high-performance GT model takes things even further, with dual motors producing 576 horsepower, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.5 seconds. Inside, the EV6 features a high-tech cockpit with dual 12.3-inch screens, augmented reality head-up display, and a sustainable interior made from recycled materials. The spacious cabin provides comfortable seating, advanced driver assistance features, and an ultra-fast charging system that can replenish the battery from 10% to 80% in just 18 minutes. For those looking for a stylish, high-performance electric vehicle with the latest technology, the Kia EV6 is an outstanding choice. 2. Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson has become one of the most popular compact SUVs, offering a perfect balance of style, efficiency, and advanced technology. The latest model features a futuristic exterior with sharp lines, a bold front grille, and signature LED daytime running lights integrated into the grille for a striking look. Under the hood, the Tucson provides multiple powertrain options, including a 2.5L four-cylinder engine, a hybrid variant, and a plug-in hybrid version for those seeking better fuel efficiency. The hybrid models offer a perfect combination of power and economy, making them ideal for both city driving and long-distance travel. Step inside, and you'll find a premium cabin with a minimalist yet high-tech design. The dashboard features a fully digital instrument cluster, a 10.25-inch infotainment touchscreen, and touch-sensitive climate controls. Hyundai also includes premium comfort features like ventilated front seats, wireless charging, and a panoramic sunroof to enhance the driving experience. Safety is another strong area for the Tucson, with Hyundai's SmartSense suite offering lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. Whether you're a daily commuter, a road trip enthusiast, or someone looking for a comfortable and tech-packed SUV, the Hyundai Tucson is a fantastic option. 1. Genesis GV70. For those who want a luxury SUV that blends sportiness with sophistication, the Genesis GV70 is one of the best choices available. Competing with premium brands like BMW, Mercedes, and Audi, the GV70 offers top-tier performance, an opulent interior, and cutting-edge technology. The GV70 comes with a choice of two engines: a 2.5L turbocharged four-cylinder delivering 300 horsepower and a more powerful 3.5L twin-turbo V6 producing 375 horsepower. Both engines provide exhilarating acceleration, responsive handling, and a smooth ride, making the GV70 one of the most enjoyable SUVs to drive. Inside the GV70, the attention to detail is immediately noticeable. The luxurious cabin features quilted Napa leather seats, real wood accents, and a massive 14.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The driver-focused cockpit includes a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster with a 3D effect, enhancing the futuristic feel of the SUV. Features like an advanced lexicon sound system, ambient lighting, and heated and ventilated seats further elevate the experience. Genesis has also prioritized safety, equipping the GV70 with a host of driver assist features such as highway driving assist, lane following assist, and a surround view camera system. With its stunning design, exhilarating performance, and world-class luxury, the Genesis GV70 is a premium SUV that rivals the best in the business. No matter your needs, efficiency, technology, comfort, or performance, these 8 Korean cars deliver on every front. So, if you're in the market for a new ride, you can confidently choose any of these models without hesitation. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews and recommendations. See you in the next video.